Hi guys, hope you're having a good day. So I've got a quick tip for you if you're running a restaurant. So this is regarding keyword research and SEO. So what you're going to want to do is write a specific blog for your website. So what it's going to do is it's going to mention the top 10 restaurants in your local area which provide the same kind of food. Could be top 5, could be top 7. It depends on how many restaurants are in the area. If you put all of them there, that's great. My advice to you is when you're writing this blog, what you do is you put at the top of the blog a little bit of information about your restaurant, but you don't mention them as part of the top 10. And the reason you do this is because you don't want to seem like you're biased. You say, hey, we're an Indian restaurant in this area, we're an Italian restaurant in this area, and here we provide this service, but here are some other restaurants you might want to try out. So go through all of the restaurants in your local area and rank them based on the reviews, and basically just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever. And the reason you want to do this is because what you're doing is you're getting the keywords for restaurants in your town name or restaurants in local towns, things like that. So this means that when people start looking for things like what are the restaurants in my area, your website's going to start coming up because it's giving valuable information on that. You're putting yourself at the top with a little bit of information about you. People are already on your website, so they're likely to check you out, so that's a good thing. And what you're also doing is you're getting keywords which will help you rank for other search terms, which will bump your site up the search engine in other areas, for example, when people are looking for those restaurants. Anyway, hope that's been helpful. And hey, you might be helping out your competition at times, but at the same time, you're actually helping yourself more, so it is worth doing. Anyway, have a lovely day. Bye!